This is the National Weather Service office in Springfield, Missouri, with some winter weather safety tips. Winter storms, whether in the form of snow, ice, bitter cold, or all of the above, bring with them a variety of hazards. Perhaps most obvious are those that result in hazardous travel conditions, but even for those staying at home, conditions can quickly become dangerous if proper precautions are not taken. Driveways, sidewalks, and other walkways quickly become hazardous when covered with ice or snow. Falls can result in bruises, broken bones, and concussions, among other issues. To prevent falls, clear off walkways as soon as precipitation begins. To make shoveling snow and ice easier, consider pre-treating surfaces with rock salt or commercial ice melt before snow starts to fall. And be especially cautious when walking outside in the dark or in low light, when slick spots may be particularly difficult to see. The weight of snow and ice, oftentimes made worse by gusty winds, can do serious damage to electrical infrastructure. Be on the lookout for sagging or falling power lines. Always treat a power line as if it is alive. Don't approach it. Instead, contact local emergency services and your power company to report the downed line. Keep children, neighbors, and pets away from the power line. When winter storms bring power outages to the area, unfortunately, one of the primary sources of death from the storm oftentimes becomes carbon monoxide poisoning. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, tasteless gas that is produced by sources of combustion, which includes portable generators, grills, and camping stoves. When these devices are used indoors, carbon monoxide poisoning can result in a very short period of time. Always set up these devices outside. Remember that your portable generator can be deadly even if it is located outside, if it is too close to windows, doors, or air intakes. Always set up generators, stoves, and grills well away from the structure in a well-ventilated area. And regardless of whether you utilize a generator or not, it's a great idea to always have a carbon monoxide detector in your home. Bitter cold can leave many people searching for alternative or supplemental heat sources, like space heaters or wood-burning stoves. These alternative heat sources are a leading cause of house fires during the winter months, oftentimes because combustible materials like clothes or blankets got too close to the heater and ignited. Always keep your space heater well away from materials that can burn. If you have pets or children, make sure they don't get too close as not to tip over the space heater or suffer burns. Space heaters utilize a significant amount of electricity and can easily overload an electrical circuit, causing an electrical fire. Be sure not to have too many items plugged into the same circuit. Finally, if you make use of a wood-burning stove or fireplace during the winter months, make sure it is well maintained and the chimney is kept clean. The best way to stay safe and weather-ready this winter is to remain informed. Remain aware of the latest forecast, especially if there is potential for a significant winter weather event. Along with your favorite local television or radio station, our National Weather Service website, weather.gov/Springfield, is constantly updated with the very latest forecast information, along with any winter storm watches or warnings that may be issued. Also be sure to check out the links from ready.gov and the National Weather Service for additional winter weather safety and preparedness information.